So the monsoon session that will be ending today, but we are still waiting to see a meaningful debate and discussion to happen between the government and the opposition on some of the key issues facing the country. Opposition that has been raising paper leaks and Ram Mandir Chanda Chori since the day one, and for days it has been also asking the Home Minister to make a statement on police action in Delhi on the 20th of July at Jantar Mantar when the police used lathi charge and pellet guns. What is now been alleged by the opposition is now demanding answers from the Home Minister. Amit Shah has now come out to say that the government is ready for a discussion. In fact, he's saying that he will respond to all of their concerns that is being raised by the Vipaksh. He says that there is nothing to hide by the government, but claiming that the opposition is not interested in a debate and is deliberately creating a logjam.
मेरी ओर से भी मैंने कह दिया है कि मैं किसी भी सवाल का जवाब देने के लिए संसद में तैयार हूं, मगर वो चर्चा ही नहीं होने देना चाहते। अब जनता तय करे कौन भाग रहा है। मैं सदन में ही बैठूंगा, सबको सुनूंगा और सब चीजों का जवाब दूंगा। सरकार के पास छुपाने के लिए कुछ नहीं। वो भी चर्चा करूंगा कि आपने क्यों चर्चा नहीं चाहिए।
Well, let's talk about exactly the final day of the monsoon session of Parliament and the protest versus protest, because now we are looking at even the NDA MPs who have been holding marches till the Makardwar. The BJP also plans to target Rahul Gandhi and the opposition over the Jharkhand issue, accusing them of maintaining stoic silence. The opposition too is expected to stage a counter-protest, setting up another face-off in Parliament. So let's connect with Nyamika and Pragya joining us live right now. Let's get an understanding, Nyamika, because the moment the Home Minister gave a statement, it was then Rahul Gandhi who came out with a counter statement saying not interested. So what does the opposition exactly want? Because all of those terms and conditions which they had set are being accepted by the government.
Well, the opposition is of the view that already a discussion had taken place in the parliament when the bill regarding the paper leak was being tabled by the government of India. They have already put up all the points which they wanted to raise, and now they are just demanding a statement on the part of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and they want a reply that whether he was the person who had given those instructions to the police and the security forces to take action against the protesting students, whether it is about the lathi charge or the usage of pellet guns. All of these issues, they need an answer from the Home Minister's side. And in fact, we have seen that how yesterday a counter-attack was being made on the part of the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as he had stated that we are not really interested in the fancy talks. We just want a simple answer whether the HM has given these instructions or whether he hasn't given these instructions. But he has also demanded that in both the cases, he needs to give his resignation from the post of the Union Home Minister. But now we have seen that how the BJP is also trying to turn the tables. They are basically blaming the opposition parties and specifically the Congress party from running away from having a discussion. The BJP and the Union Home Minister are basically stating it very clearly that we are ready to give all the answers to reply all the concerns.
Well, that seems to be the statement that has come in from the Home Minister, and despite that, we're looking at Rahul Gandhi, who continues to question as far as his absence in the House is concerned. Pragya, will today be any different from yesterday or even the day before?
Doesn't look like there's no hope, Amita. We are expecting a protest by BJP Jharkhand MPs, and we are also expecting a protest by opposition MPs. That has become a staple as far as this monsoon session is concerned. And in fact, we are also given to understand that opposition is not ready to listen to Mr. Amit Shah. You don't want lecture, but you want answers to your questions, and your answers will be given at the floor of the parliament, which is for everyone to hear and to see. But it looks like the opposition doesn't even want that. In fact, government has said that today is the last day of the session, and we would also wait for the opposition to come back to us. We can extend the time as much as they want. They can take as much time for putting questions to the government as much they want. And whosoever wants to speak, they all can speak, at whatever time. And speaker will also try to speak to them and also give them ample time to put questions and tough questions to the government. And Mr. Amit Shah is ready to reply all of that. So if you are seeking questions, the answers will be given in the parliament, but it looks like the opposition is not interested in the answers. They are only interested in putting questions to the government and also putting the government in the dock. So, what we are expecting is the logjam is going to continue. There is no consensus that has been reached between the treasury benches and opposition. Okay. And this monsoon session too looks like has gone down the drain as far as constructive debate, suggestions from the opposition, are concerned as far as the policy making is concerned.
Yes, because we've seen multiple appeals that have been made by the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha speaker as well has gone in vain as far as appealing to the opposition for decorum and for calm and to maintaining as far as when it comes to the House proceedings are concerned. But shortly, we've hardly seen any business that has been followed up. Thank you, Pragya and Nyamika, for that update. But shortly after the statement that came in from the Union Home Minister outside the Parliament, who also then wrote a letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker where he said that the government is ready for a debate on all issues and has given an assurance to the opposition as well. So let's break down as far as Amit Shah's statement is concerned, saying the government is ready for a debate on NEET issue because that is one of the other contention issue that the government, the opposition has been demanding answers from the government. Even Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister had agreed to that at the Business Advisory Committee meeting as well. Another message that came in saying that the opposition didn't present the view when the paper leak bill was passed. However, now are demanding action and a statement from the Home Minister on the police excesses during the Jantar Mantar stir. Also saying that they are ready to allocate as much as time is required and on mutual agreement. This came in from the Home Minister yesterday that he said that I am ready to sit in the House from 3 p.m. today till tomorrow, which is now today, and agreed upon time. The opposition can decide who wants to speak and what time that needs to be allotted, saying that the opposition should rather be willing when it comes to participating in a debate. Otherwise, it will look like deliberate disturbances that has been caused by the opposition of not allowing the House to function. Also, the government is saying that they are ready to answer all of the concerned questions that the opposition needs to raise. So solutions will emerge only via dialogue and discussion. But when we speak of a leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, because here the government is accusing the Vipaksh of shifting their goalposts. Rahul Gandhi, who responded to the Home Minister's statement saying that the opposition is no longer interested in hearing Home Minister's statement, he has simply said not interested. After all, the Congress leader says that the Home Minister is directly responsible for the violence that was unleashed on the students in the national capital and in fact has now sought for an apology directly from the Prime Minister and also a resignation of the Home Minister.
Amit Shah has no courage. The Home Minister of India has no courage. He cannot come to the House. We are not interested in listening to Mr. Amit Shah's imagination. We are not interested in him giving us a lecture or a discussion. So the question is not whether Mr. Amit Shah comes and opines. We don't care what he has to say. उनके घर के सामने जाइए, वहाँ पे मतलब 1000 पुलिस वाले खड़े हुए हैं कि कोई बच्चा ना आ जाए. तो गुब्बारे में से गैस निकल गई. अब लास्ट मिनट वो उसमें फिर से गैस भरने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बट गुब्बारा फट गया है.
So interestingly, the opposition, which has been protesting on a multitude of issues, but primarily has the focus on paper leak and the aftermath, the Jantar Mantar protest in particular. Now, while the opposition began with the demand of the resignation of the Education Minister, then Dharmendra Pradhan, it appears that the demands have constantly shifted over the course of the monsoon session, with the stalemate, however, refusing to end. And here's how the opposition demands have changed since the beginning of the monsoon session. It was on the 20th itself, when there was the stir and, of course, the beginning of the monsoon session of Parliament. So demand one, debate on the paper leak in the Parliament. That time the stir, was taking place simultaneously at Jantar Mantar. Then another demand that seems to be focusing on discussion only on the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. That also has now happened. And discussion only on Amit Shah's statement. This is something which the Home Minister has agreed, saying that he is ready to give a statement in the Parliament. Then they sought for the apology of the Prime Minister directly because he has been reaching out to the students and the youth directly on the actions that have now been taken up by his government. And now another demand saying that the Prime Minister must apologize for the Chanda Chori. So Ram Mandir donation issue has also become one of the controversial skits also that were performed within the Parliament complex. And now they are seeking answers from the government directly. This has been a main demand that has come in from the another opposition party like Samajwadi Party and also Congress. Now, when it comes to no statement from the Home Minister, now Congress in particular is now seeking the resignation of the Home Minister, saying that he may be coming to Parliament, but he's not coming inside the House. So that is why for 20 days they have not seen the Home Minister in the House, and he must step down from his position.